Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, whitespace refers to any non-visible characters that can occur in strings, including spaces, tabs, and newline characters. The strip function is a built-in method that can be used to remove leading and trailing whitespace from a string. Overview of strip. Syntax: string.strip, chars. Parameters. Chars, optional: a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If omitted, it will remove whitespace characters by default, spaces, tabs, newlines. Returns, a new string with leading and trailing characters removed. Key points. 1. Leading whitespace at the beginning of the string. 2. Trailing whitespace at the end of the string. 3. In-place modification, strip, does not modify the original string, it returns a new string. Example code. Here's a step-by-step example demonstrating how to use the strip function. Output. When you run the above code, you should see the following output. Using lstrip and rstrip. In addition to strip, Python also provides two other methods that can be useful. Lstrip removes leading whitespace. Rstrip removes trailing whitespace. Here's how to use them. Output. The output for this code will be custom character removal. You can also specify characters to be removed. For example, if you want to remove specific characters like, you can do the following. Output. This code will output. Conclusion. The strip, lstrip, and rstrip methods in Python are powerful tools for manipulating strings by removing unwanted whitespace and characters. These methods can help ensure that your strings are clean and formatted correctly, especially when processing user input or data from external sources.